everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's staying safe and staying well, as I always do. So today I just wanted to show you a little bit of yarn that I got over the past week probably, and some of it's new from and then I'm gonna tell you what my plans are for it, I guess. So what some people call this, it's not real, it's online retail therapy. How about that? I see a lot of podcasters that I watch say they had to do some retail therapy and they go to the yarn store. I did mine online. So first thing I'm going to show you real quick is I was getting some groceries at Walmart, like I do the Walmart pickup order, and I decided I'd look to see what yarn they had there. And they had, because I hadn't really looked at Walmart's yarn in a while online, so at my store they had this Red Heart Jumbo, the stripes, the Super Saver stripes in the jumbo format, or the jumbo ball, and this is my favorite of all the Red Heart stripes. The Sutherland stripes is the name of it. I love this one. It's my favorite color of all the stripes that they have. So I got 4 balls of this. It was $6.44 at my local Walmart, you know, and they brought it out to me with my groceries. So you're probably pretty familiar with Red Heart Super Saver. But anyway, since this is the jumbo roll, there's almost 500 yards, 482 yards. I got 4 of them, and I plan to make a blanket with this. So that's my plans for this. So that's all I got at Walmart, was that 4 balls of that. Okay, and then I got a small order from, it's actually all the same yarn, from Little Knits. Like I said, they are a great yarn company. Get some scissors here. And I really like them a lot. And they always send out emails of really good sales that they have, and I cannot pass them up. Well, sometimes I can, if it's thin weight yarns, but sometimes I can't. Well, they had this. They still have it too. It's called 128 Cascade Yarns. Cascade Yarns 128 Super Wash Maltese. Oh, is it ever nice? That's nice. This is the first time I took it out of the bag. Okay, so it's 100% superwash merino, and there are 128 yards here, or 117 meters. Machine wash and tumble dry. I think it's gorgeous. Now at Little Knits, these are, they always have tremendous deals. A lot of the yarn I think they get, not all of it, but a lot of it I think is going to be discontinued or discontinued colors, so they can sell it at a cheaper price. But anyways, I think that's the case. Anyway, so these are, you can buy them by the hank or by the 5-pack. So regular price of, I always buy the 5-pack. Regular price of 5-pack of these would be $72.50, but Little Knits has them for $28.99 for 5 hanks of this, and it feels really nice, and it's classified as a 4-weight, I think. And they have a lot of pretty colors. I had a hard time choosing the color that I wanted. Yeah, they classify this as an Aran weight, so that's a 4-weight. But it is a nice 4-weight, so it's actually, I think it's on the verge of between a 4 and a 5. But it's very pretty. Nice and scarfable. So I got this pretty blue here. 5 of those. Blue and teal. And then I got these pinks here, which I'm going to be making Evelyn. I'm going to save this for the fall. I'm going to make Evelyn either a pullover or a cardigan with this one. And then I got these pretty purples. Beautiful. So these blues and these purples will end up in a giveaway eventually. I just bought them to give away, but not in this video. And then I got these browns. If you know me, brown is my favorite color. I actually got 10 hanks of that, and I'm going to be making probably either a pullover with a hood or a cardigan with the hood. But it'll be for fall also. But I'm super excited to do that. I'm getting some good deals at Little Knit. So that's all I got at Little Knit. And like I said, the pink and the brown is spoken for. These other two will end up eventually in a giveaway. But they were so pretty. I just wanted to look at them and touch them. Okay. And now they had, Hobium had, at the time I bought this, 4 new yarns. So I'll show you those real quick. And then I'll be done. So the first one that they had is called, I can never pronounce Hobium Yarns, ever. Well, I mean, I guess I can sometimes when it's easy, but normally I cannot. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you. This is the Etrofil brand, Pamucula Baby. I don't know, I can't pronounce it. Anyways, doesn't feel bad. Actually, it feels okay. Now at Hobium you can buy by the skein, which is $4.50, or you can buy by the 5-pack. If you buy by, well, depending on what size pack it is, these come in a 5-pack. If you buy by the 5-pack, they are $4.05 each. You get 10% discount. So it's 55 cotton, 45 acrylic, 100 grams, and they classify it as a number 2 weight, and I agree with that. It is a sport weight yarn, 284 yards. So they have this, and like I said, it doesn't feel bad. And you know, for a cotton acrylic blend, it is, I knew it was, figured it would be a lightweight yarn. This I bought to show, but it will end up in a giveaway. I don't use those lightweight yarns. Okay, I'm just telling you what I'm doing with all of them in case you wanted to know. Thought maybe, since I knew what I was gonna do with most of these, I thought I would just go ahead and tell you. And then Hobium had another new one here. Well, that feels pretty good. Very lightweight though. This is Etrofil again. I'll let you say that there. But this is $3.19 regular. Or if you buy a 5-pack, you get them for $2.87 a piece. And they are, it's 100% premium acrylic. So it does feel nice, and it has a little bit of a shine to it. And it's 100 grams, and they classify it as a number 2 sport weight. I would agree that it is a little lighter than a 2. Maybe on the verge, maybe between a 2 and a 1 and a 2, maybe, but it's pretty light. I don't know. Anyways, that's what that is. 382 yards. So this also eventually will be put in a giveaway. I will not keep that. I buy these to show you guys some of the new yarns and tell you about them, my thoughts on them, and then generally most of them end up in a giveaway. But those two are nice. Not something I would repurchase because the weight on them are too light for me. Now this is something that I would more than likely repurchase, and it reminds me of something. I think it's identical. Okay, this is Lauren Happy. Lauren Happy. It's from Hobium also. This is $3.50 a ball, or if you buy a 5-pack, there is no discount. That's weird. Okay, so they don't discount it if you I don't know why that's so weird. Anyways, there's lots of colors to choose from. It's 100% acrylic, medium weight number 4, and there are 170 yards. Now I do agree with medium weight number 4. Now this reminds me, the tag says a 3 weight, the site says a 4 weight. I'm going to agree with the 4 weight. You probably will go agree with me on that too, that is a nice 4 weight there. It does feel very nice, and it feels almost like a premium acrylic. I like that. So this reminds me a lot of that of a yarn that Elise has. I actually have showed it before in a video. I don't know the name of it, but yes, it's probably the same yarn with the different label. I actually have this in another color that is exactly the same as an Elise yarn that I have. But anyways, that's nice. This is something that I would rebuy. This purple is more likely going to end up in a giveaway also. But I do have a brown and a yellow one that I'm going to keep and make probably a cow and a hat set out of that. I didn't bring it down here. I'm sorry. Okay, and then they had one more new yarn that I wanted to show you from Hobium. This is the Rossetti brand. The poly. And it is $3.40 a ball, or if you have to buy a 10 pack to get the discount. It's $3.06 a ball if you buy the 10 pack at Hobium. And it is 90% acrylic and 10% bamboo. 50-gram ball. They classify it as a medium weight number 4 on their site. And they classify it as a medium weight number 4 on the label, hand wash. It is a chain spun yarn, and there are 145 meters, so about 159 yards. It feels really good. It does. I like the way it looks, and I like that it's chain spun. It does a little fuzzy, might get hung up on your hook a bit, but that's really pretty. Now this one, I do not know what I will do with. It's very soft. I like that. I might keep it, I might give it away. That one's up in the air. More than likely, it'll probably get given away because I have more yarn than I know what to do with. And I buy yarn with good intentions. Well, usually I buy it to show it, to give it away. But usually I buy it and show it. And sometimes there's one or two that I put in there for myself to keep. This one, I'm not sure on. I had no intentions on anything when I bought it. I just wanted to show you because it was new, but now that I have it, it is very, very pretty. Probably end up in a giveaway, like I said, because I have more than yarn than I know what to do with. But, and at the end of the day, I know that, and I don't want to be too hoardy. So, yes, I love to give back to my yarn community also. So that is all that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed my little short video. Just show you a few new things I got over the past week. And I'll see you on my next video. Remember, yeah, those things I showed you will be in giveaways eventually. And look for my other things this fall. And my other tutorials that I'm going to be putting on soon. And my hundreds of others that I have now also. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all things yarn related. You can usually find it here. So thanks everybody for watching. I love you all. Okay, stay safe. Bye guys.